If you want to make money fast, I advise you to start mining Gra tokens. This is a new free project that came out just 10 days ago. And as you can see, I have already mined 21,000 tokens in these 10 days. The listing should be very soon. And if 1 Gra will cost 1 cent, then we can calculate that I have already earned $210. And I constantly mine $1.5 per hour. It's up to you to decide whether this is a lot or a little. But unlike Hamster Combat, where you had to complete quests, watch ads, and another every day for half a year, in GraFun you simply follow the link in the comments. Then you need to register and start passively earning Gra tokens. So you don't need to collect your coins or do anything. Actually, you can exit the game and come back when the listing is already there. To mine Gra, you just need to hold BNB on your wallet. So if you are not rich, it will be allowed to create 3 accounts and throw in 0.05 BNB each for a total of 0.15 BNB or 1 BNB per account. And you will mine as much Gra as I do, even if I have $2,000 in BNB on my wallet. It's all because of the balance, and if you have 10 times more BNB, the mining speed will be increased only 2 times. I will clarify that you need to keep BNB on your wallet, so you don't need to invest your BNB in the game, and you can withdraw them to the card at any time you want. Also, yesterday Gra accelerated the mining of tokens by 2 times. Thus they give the opportunity to new users to enter and earn a lot of coins. So if I mined 21,000 tokens in 10 days, then you can mine them now in 5 days. By the way, I created a video about GraFun 10 days ago at the time of its release, so subscribe to the channel. And next time in the new project you will be one of the first. Then I had $2,400 in my wallet, and I said that most likely after the release of the Gra, BNB will grow. So I advise you to buy BNB, which I did. Of course, I hope that this miner will hype up, and then we will be able to make a lot of money on the BNB coin. Well, after 10 days I already have $2,700 on my balance. In short, we mine coins and at the same time earn on BNB. Okay, there are 2 days left until the list. Let's calculate how much you can earn during this time. If you create 3 accounts or put 1 BNB on your account, then your income will be about 20 Gra per hour. Just like I said, your mining is accelerated by 2 times, so 40 Gra per hour. And the coolest thing is that the longer you keep BNB on your balance, the faster you start mining Gra. As you can see, I already have a multiplier of almost 5 times. So on average you will mine 60 Gra per hour. Per 1 day you will earn 1,500 Gra, and per 2 days you will earn almost 3,000 Gra. You can also complete quests here and instantly get Gra coins. I completed this quest in literally 3 minutes, and I think you can do it faster. And as a result we get 4,000 Gra coins per account. Multiply by the price of 1 Gra token and get $40 in 2 days. If you want more, just create more accounts or hold more BNB on your wallet. Of course, it's best to be one of the first to enter such project, and for this I advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As a result, I can say that I plan to earn money on the growth of BNB, which I have already done. And GraFun is an additional opportunity that is better not to miss. And will there be a listing in 2 days, or will they still drag out time? We will soon find out.